Have you ever looked at your bank account and wondered where all your money went? If so, you're not alone. One of the biggest culprits of overspending is our monthly subscriptions. We sign up for all sorts of services, from streaming platforms to gym memberships, and then forget about them until we get our next bill. One subscription that you might be unaware of is Novo. Novo is a banking platform that offers a variety of services, including checking accounts, debit cards, and overdraft protection. But how much does Novo cost? In this video, we're going to take a closer look at Novo and how much it costs. We'll also discuss some of the pros and cons of using Novo. What is Novo? Novo is a banking platform that offers a variety of services, including checking accounts, debit cards, and overdraft protection. Novo is free to use, but there are some fees associated with certain services. How much does Novo cost? There are no monthly fees associated with using Novo. However, there are some fees associated with certain services. These fees include ATM withdrawal fees, $2 per withdrawal. Overdraft fees, $10 per overdraft. Foreign transaction fees, 3% of the transaction amount. Pros and cons of using Novo. Pros. Novo is free to use. There are no monthly fees associated with using Novo. Novo offers a variety of services, including checking accounts, debit cards, and overdraft protection. Novo is a good option for people who are looking for a free and easy-to-use banking platform. Cons. There are some fees associated with certain services, such as ATM withdrawal fees, overdraft fees, and foreign transaction fees. Novo does not offer as many features as some other banking platforms. Novo is a good option for people who are looking for a free and easy-to-use banking platform. However, it is important to be aware of the fees associated with certain services before signing up for Novo. If you're interested in learning more about Novo, please visit their website or watch the video below. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.